Hi, I'm Chris with Modern Flames. Today we're going to go through the Good, Better, Best showroom display package that features the latest technology in Modern Flames electric fireplaces. We have built over 300 of these showroom displays in fireplace showrooms throughout the United States. Please visit our website to find the dealer closest to you. This video is to explain the installation options so you can decide which fireplace best suits your needs. Starting off with the Spectrum SLIMLINE. The Spectrum SLIMLINE is the thinnest electric fireplace on the market and can either be wall mounted, hanging 4 inches off the wall, or recessed into a standard 2 inch by 4 inch wall. The installation in this display is the recessed installation. As you can see, there's about a 1/2 inch gap off the wall that can be used to butt tile or stone up to the edge of the fireplace for a completely flush look. Its sleek design and ease of installation allows this fireplace to be installed in any room of the house. Next we have our better, the Landscape Pro Slim. The Landscape Pro Slim is a built-in clean face, meaning that it installs at the framing stage and you bring the drywall or the finished wall material up to the opening of the fireplace for the cleanest installation possible. The advantage of a built-in over a recessed electric fireplace is that we're able to hide all the vents and the controls that come standard on all of our fireplaces. The Landscape Pro Slim and the Landscape Pro Multi have the same features and sizes. They both come in 44 inch, 56 inch, 68 inch, 80 inch, and a massive 96 inch width. All Pro Series fireplaces will come with this remote control that can easily control the color and the intensity of the flame, and the amber bed and the downlighting. You can change them all together in sequence or independently change the different lighting zones. These lighting zones will give you the whole experience of electric fireplace capability. The third option, our best, the Landscape Pro Multi. The Landscape Pro Multi is the most versatile electric fireplace in our lineup. It can be installed as a built-in, 2x4 recess, or a wall mount. And it can also be installed single-sided, left corner, right corner, or bay, giving it up to 12 different installation opportunities. When you install it inside of a 2x4 wall, the fireplace will hang into the room by 8 inches. Also, the Landscape Pro Multi can be wall mounted. When you wall mount it, it will hang off 12 inches into the room, and you would take our wall mount studio suite packages to cover up the top and the bottom of the firebox. The wall mount option is the easiest installation and can be installed in any room in any application. As a wrap up, the Good, Better, Best display package shows the latest and greatest electric fireplace technology from Modern Flames. We have the Spectrum SLIMLINE that can be installed inside of a 2x4 wall or wall mounted. We have the Landscape Pro Slim that can be installed as a built-in 2x6 wall, or we have the Landscape Pro Multi that can be installed as a built-in 2x4 recess or a wall mount. The opportunities are endless, and now you can choose which fireplace best suits your needs.